Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. In the complex and thermally demanding environment of a marine engine room, the accuracy of temperature sensors and thermostats is the foundation of machinery protection and fuel efficiency. From the high-temperature exhaust gas of the main engine to the delicate cooling water circuits of the auxiliary generators, every degree matters, and a drifted sensor can lead to undetected overheating or unnecessary thermal stress. Calibrating these instruments is a precise task that bridges the gap between digital readings and physical reality. Before starting any calibration work, ensure you have identified the specific sensor type, whether it is a resistance temperature detector, known as an RTD, a thermocouple, or a mechanical capillary thermostat. Notify the bridge and the duty engineer as you will be simulating temperature changes that could trigger automated alarms or slow down functions. Begin by preparing a controlled heat source, such as a portable dry block calibrator or a stirred water bath, which provides a stable and uniform environment for comparison. Carefully withdraw the sensor from its thermowell, being mindful not to bend the probe or damage the delicate wiring. If the sensor is part of a pressurized system, ensure the well is intact and no fluid is leaking. Place the ship's sensor alongside a high-precision reference thermometer into the calibration block. Start the process at the lower end of the expected operating range, allowing the temperature to stabilize completely before comparing the two readings. If the control room display or local indicator shows a deviation, you must adjust the transmitter or the signal converter. For digital systems, this involves adjusting the 0 and span settings to align the output signal, typically 4 to 20 milliamps, with the actual measured temperature. Move the heat source to the midpoint and then to the maximum operating temperature to check for linearity throughout the scale. A sensor that is accurate at low temperatures but deviates at high levels indicates a loss of sensitivity and should be replaced. When calibrating mechanical thermostats for fans or heaters, manually adjust the set point dial until the internal switch clicks and verify this against the reference temperature. Check for hysteresis, which is the difference between the set point and the reset point, to ensure the equipment does not cycle too rapidly. Inspect all electrical terminals for corrosion or loose connections, as added resistance in the circuit is a common cause of false high-temperature readings. Use specialized contact cleaner on the junction points and ensure the shielding of the sensor cable is properly grounded to prevent electromagnetic interference. Once the calibration is complete, apply a fresh layer of thermal-conductive paste to the sensor tip before reinserting it into the thermowell to ensure rapid and accurate heat transfer. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.